Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove your custom pair in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Bither application on the device. Here, type in your PIN code to get access to your wallet. After that, click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, click on Advanced option button. After that, find Custom Pair option here. Click on it and you can see your current custom pair. Click on the three horizontal dots which is at the top right corner of your screen. And you will get an option to remove your custom pair. Click on Clear Custom Pair button. Now, here you can see that your custom pair has been removed. So that is how you can remove your custom pair in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.